In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the 3DX927 DLL is missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Now your system type, so go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Double click on the installer file and then double click on it. If you haven't installed this yet into your Windows, just simply click on the license terms and conditions and click on install. But if you have already installed it, click on repair. And then once done, close all the remaining windows. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows. So click on the start button and then go to settings. Click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click this button right here. And then simply go to Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Type SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once this is 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window and restart your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.